Hi, this is Mr. Cappert. This video I'm going to show you how to create a sketch of your bridge in Inventor. The whole purpose being to make a stress analysis later, such as this. So to draw out your bridge, you need to go to File, New, Part. File, New, Part. Once in there, we need to change the units. We're going to be using centimeters instead of inches. This is new. So go to Tools, Document Settings, Units, and then do a drop down to centimeters. So this project, we're using metric. Hit Apply, and then Close. Go back to 3D Model. You're going to start a 2D sketch. And you want to choose this plane here, the XY plane. You must choose the XY plane. Once again, this is crucial for when you do your stress analysis. You must choose the XY plane. Notice front, when I start to sketch, this front says front in the correct orientation here. So it should look like this. If your cube looks different than this, don't start sketching. You need to have this sketch upright. So with mine's basically rectangular. You're going to sketch out your shape. Yours is different than mine. And then you want to just make it approximate. So mine is approximately 30, close enough, by 9 centimeters, close enough. I want to make sure I'm perpendicular. Boom. Then mine has 3 verticals. I'm just going to draw them approximate, and then I'm going to dimension them later. I'm going to do my diagonals lastly. That's a little harder to... Mouse is a little broken here, guys. So I want to dimension from here to here. Looking at my drawing, and you'll look at yours, 7.5. Here to here, 15. This is why I had you put the dimensions on your drawing. This should be 30. So I have all my verticals, and that makes it easier than do my diagonals. I'll do those lastly. And they just go from these corners to that corner to this corner. So I would definitely do your diagonals last. So I've got my entire sketch done. I'm going to finish my sketch. And then make sure you save this. Remember, go to your H drive, create a bridge folder, and how you would do that is a right-click, new folder. Click off of it, click within it, and then I want to call this, maybe I'll put my name. Put your name. And hit save. Alright, you're going to use this later for your stress analysis. Hope this video helps you out. Let me know if you have any additional questions.